The Gehlot versus Pilot fight and the tiff gets murkier. Here, allegations now being hurled at the BJP and Union Minister Gajendra Shekhawat, who has now denied that he has had any role in horse trading. In fact, Congress had accused him of horse trading, and this came up right after an audio clipping that was released by Randeep Singh Surjewala, who said that in that audio clipping, Shekhawat is heard luring a MLA of the Congress party and trying to bribe him to switch sides. Here, Shekhawat in his first reaction claims that this is false and that he's ready for a probe. Earlier today, Congress leader Randeep Singh Surjewala had read out transcripts from audio tapes, which we cannot really verify, where it was heard Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat was discussing the toppling of the state government with MLAs who are now camped with Sachin Pilot. After Congress demand for a probe, a complaint has now been filed by the Rajasthan Special Operations Group against the Union Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat and rebel Congress MLA Bhavar Lal. In fact, Surjewala has also announced that Congress has suspended two pilots' aides, MLA Bhavar Lal Sharma and Vishwendra Singh, who was a cabinet minister within the Gehlot government.
20, 25, 30, 35 करोड़ रुपए में विधायकों की निष्ठा और विश्वास खरीदकर राजस्थान की 8 करोड़ जनता के जनमत से चुनी हुई कांग्रेस सरकार को अस्थिर करवाने और गिराने के षड्यंत्र की बात जगजाहिर हुई, सामने आई। भारतीय जनता पार्टी की भूमिका विधायकों की खरीद फरोख्त में कई बार प्रश्न चिन्ह के दायरे में आई। दोस्तों, कल शाम जो दो सनसनीखेज व चौंकाने वाले ऑडियो टेप मीडिया के माध्यम से सामने आए हैं, इन टेप्स में तथाकथित तौर से भारत सरकार के कैबिनेट मंत्री श्री गजेंद्र शेखावत जी, श्री भंवरलाल शर्मा जी जो कांग्रेस के विधायक हैं, वे भाजपा नेता संजय जैन जी की तथाकथित बातचीत सामने आई। इस तथाकथित बातचीत में पैसों की सौदेबाजी, विधायकों की निष्ठा खरीदने और राजस्थान की सरकार गिराने का षड्यंत्र सामने आया है
कि मुझे प्रलोभन देने की कोशिश की गई थी, जिसका जुड़ाव कहीं ना कहीं इस ऑडियो टेप से है, लेकिन मैंने वो प्रलोभन देने से इनकार कर दिया। मेरे परिवार की पृष्ठभूमि, मेरा खुद स्वयं का कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रति निष्ठा, ये मेरे लिए सर्वोपरि है। और आगे जो कुछ भी है या जो भी जहां एजेंसियां चूंकि जांच कर रही है, मैं उनके समक्ष जाके अपनी बात रखना चाहूँगा। मैं सिर्फ ये आपके सामने स्पष्ट करना चाहता था कि ये जो ऑडियो टेप आया है, इसमें जो प्रलोभन की बात की गई थी, उसमें जो नाम मेरा आया है, उसमें मुझे प्रलोभन देने की किसी न किसी स्तर पे कोशिश की गई थी।
ये ऑडियो जो चल रहे हैं, इसके बाद ये आरोप लगाते हैं कि सच्चाई इनकी हो रही है। फिर भी हमने एसओजी में मुकदमा दर्ज ये कराया है, नियमानुसार कार्रवाई, और नियमानुसार कार्रवाई में इसकी जांच भी होती है। लोगों के आवाज के सैंपल भी लिए जाते हैं, सैंपल का मिलान भी किया जाता है, और ये सब करने के बाद में जो भी निष्कर्ष सामने आते हैं उसके हिसाब से आगे की कार्रवाई है।
सर, आपने कितने मुकदमे दर्ज कराए हैं?
2 मुकदमे दर्ज।
अच्छा, आखिरी सवाल, होटल में कहा जा रहा है कितने विधायक हैं सर अभी?
हम आपको पहले दिन से कह रहे हैं, हमारे पास 109 का संख्या बल है, और जब कभी भी अगर फ्लोर टेस्ट कहीं हुआ, संख्या बल दिखाने की जरूरत पड़ी तो इससे ज्यादा ही दिखाएंगे।
Now let's cut across to our reporters joining us live. Paulami Saha reporting from Delhi, Anand Patel as well, bringing us more details. Cutting across to Paulami. Paulami, you did mention how Gajendra Singh Shekhawat has denied allegations, saying that the audio in that clipping is fabricated. It's not his voice. He refuses to accept those claims and accusations made by the Congress quite naturally, and says that he's willing to go through a legal probe, and says that this is just infighting within the Congress there. He's being dragged into it. Take us through his reaction.
Well, Nabila, he has has not said that the audio is doctored. He obviously is questioning the fact that, it is being claimed and it is being alleged that the voice in that audio is Gajendra Singh Shekhawat's. It could be any Gajendra Singh, as he says. He says that whoever is in that audio tape, which has been released to the media, introduces himself as Gajendra Singh. That could be anyone from Rajasthan. There are n number of Gajendra Singh. So he's denied that that voice is his in that audio tape altogether. He, of course, also says that he is willing to undergo any sort of investigation or probe in this matter, whatever is the due course of the law. He is willing to abide by the same as well. As far as Sanjay Jain is concerned, because there is a Sanjay Jain that the Congress alleges, who is a BJP leader, who allegedly is brokering on behalf of Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, the union minister, allegedly with Bhavarlal Sharma in that audio. Now, Gajendra Singh Shekhawat says that I know many Sanjay Jains. I even have a childhood friend who's a Sanjay Jain, but I do not know a leader from the Bharatiya Janata Party from Rajasthan who's a Sanjay Jain. So the Congress needs to clarify who is the Sanjay Jain that they're talking about. If they have more details, they should put it out in the open. They should tell the media as well which of my phone numbers was it that I was speaking to Bhavarlal Sharma on in this audio as well. Put forth more details. But Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, for the moment, on the record, denying that in that audio tape released to the media belongs to him.
Right, Paulmi, do stay with us. Let's quickly cut across to Anand Patel. Anand, here is a audio tape that has been, at least the transcript of which has been read out by Surjewala. He very clearly, Surjewala claims and accuses Shekhawat, saying that Shekhawat in that audio clipping was heard speaking about toppling the Gehlot government with an MLA of the Congress. Was that MLA Bhavarlal? Is that who he was highlighting?
Well, Pilot Camp has been denying right since the beginning that all these evidences which the Gehlot government is trying to put out are all fabricated and edited and doctored. This is what the Pilot Camp is saying. And in the petition also, in which they have filed in the High Court, they have clearly said that there was no attempt from their side to topple the government. They were not indulging in any kind of anti-party activity, and that they did not defy any party whip. So they are maintaining their stand very clear as far as the reply in the High Court is concerned. The case is coming up in an hour or so. This is what Sachin Pilot Camp says. But clearly, a lot of pressure from the Gehlot side and the Congress party on Sachin Pilot and his supporting MLAs ahead of this hearing, very crucial hearing. And the timing of these audio tapes are very crucial. This comes in at a time when the Sachin Pilot camp and the MLAs are facing a lot of heat and a possible expulsion from the Vidhan Sabha once the court hears the matter. So clearly, this looks like a very clear strategy from the Gehlot camp to put more heat on the Sachin Pilot and his men, because the MLAs whom Sachin Pilot is very, struggling to really hold on to, because they are very crucial for any kind of negotiation which Pilot may have with either the High Command or the BJP.
True,
So
but two of his
are under a
MLAs
lot
have
of
already been suspended. Who are those two MLAs? Bhavarlal also being one of them. On what grounds have they really suspended them, removed them from the primary membership?
Yes. So Bhavarlal Sharma and Vishwendra Pratap Singh, the MLA from Bharatpur, who was also a minister. These were the two people who were removed as ministers from the Gehlot cabinet the day Sachin Pilot was axed as Deputy Chief Minister. And now, once these tapes are out in which Bhavarlal Sharma allegedly features in one of the tapes, Vishwendra Pratap Singh features allegedly in the other tape, though they both have denied this. Going by that evidence, the Gehlot government has gone ahead and asked the party to suspend them, which has been done. The communique has been out, and they've also been served a show cause notice as to explain their point of view as to what is their stand and what is their explanation on the entire issue. So clearly, from both sides, the government is mounting pressure, the Gehlot government, and also the Congress party is trying to make sure that there is enough pressure on the rebellious camp for them to submit to the party diktats.
Absolutely. Anand, we do know in just a little while from now, the hearing will begin in the Rajasthan High Court. Thank you, Anand. Thank you, Paulmi, for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.